Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the electric toothbrush for adults. It's the Oraimo Rechargeable Power Toothbrush with a Dupont brush heads. It's a Sonic toothbrush holder system included. We have 5 optional modes, 2-minute smart timer and 3 hours fast charge, and this is enough for 60 days of use. It is a ET1C. Great electric toothbrush for adults and of course for kids out there. The Oraimo Sonic toothbrush with Dupont Nylon Bristles has a large contact area, especially suitable for adults and kids. Oraimo Power Toothbrush strongly removes stains and plaques with 40,000 vibrations per minute. Powerful motor is included here. And we have 5 optional brushing modes: white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. Customize our experience according to our teeth condition. This electric toothbrush helps to keep our teeth healthier. And it comes with all what you need. The only thing you have to get to use that is you have to have an AC adapter. For example, on laptop. For example, personal computer. For example, AC adapter from your smartphone, for example. Every USB-C device can reload this toothbrush here. We attach the brush head and make sure it is locked in place. We wet the bristles and apply appropriate amount of toothpaste. We place the toothbrush in our mouth before we turning it on, of course. That's better. Splash. We gently move the brush head across each section of the teeth for 10 seconds, including front, back, and chewing surfaces. The multifunction button needs continued operation within 5 seconds for first mode switching. Continuous pressing the multifunction button, choose the mode we want among 5 modes. The toothbrush will automatically turn off after 2 minutes of cleaning. Then you've finished your daily need of toothbrushing. Of course, you should continue this at the evening too. We slide the toothbrush head down to the handle. We turn clockwise until it is installed, the toothbrush head. If we detach it, we turn the toothbrush head counterclockwise until it is free. Then you can replace it. When the battery capacity is low, the product will fail to power on, or the charging indicator light will flash 10 times to alert the product needs to be charged. The indicator lights will be on from the bottom one when charging, and it will turn off automatically when the battery is full charged. For the first time of use, the battery is undercharged for a long period of time. The indicator may not light up. So we have to reload it first. This is important to do that, of course. Okay. After this reload, we can use the Sonic electric toothbrush. This is how fresh smile matters. 60 days last time, 2 minutes timer, and it's IPX7 waterproof. We have a powerful motor and 8 times toothbrush heads included. And there is electric toothbrush holder. Oh yeah. We have 40,000 VPM 3D Dupont Bristles. We have a different size of setup here. White. This eliminates stubborn and stains. We can make a clean function, regular cleaning, or a sensitive for a sensitive teeth, or of course for the first use. and polish option, brightening our teeth. Massage, gum care, baby. Because this is the focus there is on the gum, not on your teeth. We have 8 replacement brush heads included. The electric toothbrush set with 8 replacement brush heads for 2 years of use. This is cost-effective choice and a convenient charging and long-lasting battery. The electric toothbrush can be charged anytime and anywhere with a USB cable. Lasts for 30 days after only 4 hours of full charging. And an electric toothbrush holder. This toothbrush holder can be disassembled to wash after installation. Convenient and clean. It's easy to installation in seconds with strong back tape. We do not need to drill. It's awesome. And it's easy. And it will gain up your teeth health. These are the Oraimo Electric Toothbrush for everyone out there. With a rechargeable power toothbrush with 8 Dupont brush heads. The Sonic toothbrush holder included 5 optional modes and 2-minute smart timer. 3 hours fast charge for 60 days of use. This is the ET1 model. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.